Like all technologies, FFF 3D printing started with a vision. Then it was shaped by reality. Also, it was constrained by reality. Manufacturing expects more from FFF printing than just prototyping and production aid. However, humanity's pursuit for evolution is constant. 7 years of insight and vision, continuous observing, experimenting, learning, and implementing. We've achieved a goal. A limit has been overcome. Welcome to a new world of flexible manufacturing. A 300% increase in productivity. Design iteration can be up to 3 times faster. A 600% increase in productivity. Tooling production can be 6 times faster, cheaper by keeping it in-house. An 800% increase in productivity. Batch production no longer constrained by cycle time. Flexible manufacturing will level up with FFF printing. The potential of future manufacturing is available now. Hyper FFF, additive productivity.